You think I'm such a happy person? No, you are wrong by saying my laughter is louder than you. Shut your freaking mouth. No one knows what I feel and what I suffer. No, they don't know. So keep your thoughts and stop assuming that someone is always fine. If you think I'm such a happy person, no, you are wrong by saying my laughter is louder than you. Shut your freaking mouth. No one knows what I feel and what I suffer. No, they don't know. So keep your thoughts and stop assuming that someone is always fine. If you think I'm such a happy person, no, you are wrong by saying my laughter is louder than you.
when I could